appreciate it. If you lot find this appreciative, if you lot appreciate it, I'd like to know. I'd appreciate it if you let me know. Anyway, BTC is very messy. You should see my eyes right now. It's just squinting. It's squinting. Right, again. I find this interesting. Do I? We've had the cross right there. It's a bit too much for my eyes. I think I have ADHD. I need it a bit simpler. So, well, not I think. Basically, I went on TikTok, and according to TikTok, I've got ADHD. So but I think that's just my multi-dimensionality aspects playing out. Yeah. So Bitcoin didn't go up as high as XRP. Did it happen then? No, yeah, this was a Titan Sumber slide. So as I says, this when for anything to exist, one thing needs to die for something to live, an energy exchange. So basically when the Titan Sumber slide went down, Bitcoin went up. It went up. We've got, you know, June there. So this recent Ripple kind of winning, it didn't really cause much for Bitcoin, but it did go up, and it got rejected again at 31k. And as I said, like, though it's clearly getting rejected because back here it was its resistance, so it just broke through it straight away, and it was its resistance straight away. So it makes sense Bitcoin is having a little extra struggle to kind of break past this, because this hasn't, it's been a support here. It has been a support, but its last part, it obviously wasn't a support, it was resistance. So it just needs to break through it. Because XRP has happily just pushed up past Uranus here, I'm seeing Bitcoin easily doing the same. Like, there's just no reason not to. And as you can clearly see, 37 is its next target. I don't think we need to go into this one that deep. Like, as these energies pick up, we're going to get a no moon, new moon, as I said here on the 17th, on Monday. So these energies can kick in from any moment, and that is what happened with XRP as well. It's this no moon energy that did kick in, so that had played a part too, as well as the XRP settlement, as well as is being noticed on the world stage, and as well as the technical analysis. So there's multiple different angles, but in essence, what I can clearly see based just on the moon phases, the no moon, new moon is going to appear here, is going to be Gemini. So it's quicker movement. So I'm seeing Bitcoin being pulled up to it. This line here, I believe, is the 4 hour. So let's check on the 4 hour moving average. And oh, would you look at that? Look at how beautiful this is. I'm seeing, just based off the 4 hour, this is going to get to it much quicker. Bitcoin, and look how it's just solid on this level. It's just solid. It's truly, it's got its support here. It's like it's caught in between this 31 and this zone 30. It's trading horizontally between that right now. And because these have recently crossed over, I'm seeing so much more momentum in the works here, because they're not far apart from each other, and price just seems like it's getting ready to extend from it. Based on the hour too, we're probably even closer. Oh, on the hour we have crossed to the downside though. We've crossed. So basically on the hourly level, it is just hovering there. It would be nice to just see price come up a little bit just to get over it. So closer to yeah, like 308 and above. If Bitcoin's around about that price, it's just, I'd say if you're seeing Bitcoin at that price, it's more of an indication we are continuing to the upside. I've got no doubt. Look at on the 1 hour on the RSI, we're at the bottom. You know, we're being supported by Uranus. We're being supported by Uranus, and the moment we get above Mercury and Pluto on the smaller time frame, it's just onward momentum. That's what I'm seeing for Bitcoin. Yes, this RSI, we could easily get rejected off the 50, or we could push through it and continue up. So I am seeing that, and as I said, 37 is its next range. After that, 46. I do see a 46 Bitcoin in the card. You know, as I said, XRP, it would like squeeze up to $1. $1 is a psychological level for XRP. So I'm seeing it reach there quite easily. And I'm also seeing there being a wick above it. And it's in that wick, that last little extra, like, oh, where's it going to? So it could well reach $1.30 and then just fall for XRP. So similarly to Bitcoin, I'm seeing it easily reaching this 37 mark, and this extra push up is to this zone, this 50, 46, 47, 40, 40. Like, I notice my T's are disappearing. People, I need help. I need to pronounce properly. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing in this zone. But what you will see, as I've said for XRP, is price won't get above 68 from this jump, which will be a signal to you that it's not finished its downtrend yet. Okay, so don't hold on to it forever because it's not finished. It could go back quite easily to 28, could go a little bit lower, like a fast wick lower. So the old 1% can buy it up quickly. Keep that in your head as well, in your mind's eye. If we're seeing some big massive washout this year because social media influencers are saying high numbers for crypto, so people are going to be inclined to stay in it for longer. Yeah, like if you're seeing that and a big washout happening, that's the time to invest. People will be happy. Yeah, just don't get caught up in the hype. And as well as it's getting hyped up, pay attention also to oh, what's it called, social medias and news and everything, as they are hyping it up throughout summer and everything. If you're hearing it a lot, that's also a signal to get out. Okay, remember in the Gematria we also had get out. It was in there in Hebrew for Ocean Gate Titan. So though it was a signal, you also need to get out of it. You're not going to stay in it for long. All right, this is how they communicate. This is how they know how to act. So let's know how to act with them, people. Take our energies back. Finishing off on the DXY, I know I did mention Ethereum, but let's be real, it's going to be similar to Bitcoin's chart. It's just going to be similar. Let's take a look at, if anyone is interested though in the future, do let me know if there's any other coins you would like me to cover. I wouldn't do it weekly. I am only going to do Bitcoin and XRP weekly indefinitely with the DXY. But if people are interested in other coins, I could like cover it for the next week. But let me know. And look at this. Look, this is why I'm keeping my drawings, people, because I'm excited because I have been in this space. I have been studying technical analysis since 2019. You know, I put in more effort and action and direct study since 2020. But to kind of publicly be putting it out there and drawing it and being confident in doing so, and it actually happens, it's exciting for me. It really is. So I drew this time ago. I was like, yeah, this is before it hit here. I was seeing it going to hit it and then come down, and just look how it's doing it nicely by zone after zone. This is like textbook trading, and it's beautiful. So we are on the daily. We are on this daily, and we've reached this small support structure, which I don't feel this will last long here. I don't at all. And basically what I'm seeing, because there's just not been much, you see. So what I'm kind of seeing, as above, so below, I'm seeing if we're kind of on it quite heavily. If we're dropping low instantly, there may be a little retracement pullback to quickly test this area as its new resistance. So that is what I'm seeing there with the DXY before continuation down. So yeah, what this would look like in crypto is potentially a little movement upward, just a little bit. So it's signaling, okay, it's getting ready to move, and then it's going to retrace, which may make you think, oh, is it really happening? Because the DXY is just finding its resistance here before the DXY continues down to its next leg, which will be, oh damn, it's going to 97. It's wild because I was saying it was at $1 and this is the last leg, people. As this falls down to 97, I'm seeing this is the last leg of crypto doing its jump up. And obviously we can only wait until this is at 97 to see if it's going to make its next leg down to 94. I've not put any lower than 94 because I'm like, on this round, I just don't see it going any lower. I'm seeing it's going to start recovering. And as this recovers, this is when crypto is going to retrace. So it's either this is its last leg to 97. But if we're getting that extra leg and extra push up to like $1.30, for example, for XRP, or for Bitcoin, we're probably reaching 50k, but not the 69 where it ended, but round about in the 50s, then that's when we're dropping down to this leg potentially on the DXY. This initial drop would be for XRP getting to $1. Okay, XRP getting to $1 and Bitcoin reaching 37k. This drop is that extra push up. That's what I'm seeing, but I'm just not seeing any further than this, than the dollar, personally. Reason being, let's look on the weekly. Yeah, reason being, if it was to fall below Pluto and Mercury, like you see how it's done it here, it may do that and then easily gain its support and do its retracement, causing crypto to fall and all the others to fall. So gold, anticipate gold potentially going up as well. The pound, all the dollar, all the currencies against the dollar, they could have some upward momentum from next week. Oh, take a deep breath. I have to finish there. I've spoken for long. It cut off, so I have to put the two videos together. And because I'm doing that little edit, I am going to put at the back the reel that I done. I put zero effort in. I didn't even choose the song. I didn't make the template. I just got a picture from Google and it reached 1.4 million views. And I feel it had to because nothing is a coincidence and everything is coded in our reality. And my intention is that showing the Gematria at the beginning of this, linking that also into the astrology, has painted a clearer picture of how they communicate, how they let each other know, so that we can do it also, we can do it also. Many people were anticipating the XRP settlement to be the one to send XRP to the moon. But the XRP settlement has happened, and XRP, from a technical analysis structure, is not going to the moon yet. So what is this telling me? This is telling me that there is going to be another event that will send XRP to the moon and the rest of the cryptocurrencies to the moon. So let's pay attention to the events that they try to distract us with, so we can read and decode the message of what is happening. Okay, what is happening? So with that being said, I hope this I don't say hope, I don't hope for shit. Let's manifest it. My intention is that this was insightful for you and that it has empowered you in some sort of way. And let's get it. Let's get it. With that being said, enjoy this reel and I'll catch you in my next Crypto Angles podcast, number 17. And as I said, this was the 16th one. Number 7, 1 and 6 equals 7. So source was in this video. But anyway, with that being said, enjoy this reel and I'll catch you next week. Angel out. Bye.